Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Xbox One. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So has your Xbox One been running a little bit slower than it has lately? Otherwise, are you at a point with your Xbox One where you can't even get to the home screen and nothing shows? Well, I'm going to show you how to launch it into the troubleshooting mode, where you can update your Xbox One offline. Otherwise, you can go ahead and factory reset it, and it'll present you two different modes where you can erase all the data on the Xbox One, otherwise keep some of your games. So let's go over to my Xbox One and we will launch it into the troubleshooting mode. Alright, so here is my Xbox One. What we will want to do is completely turn off our Xbox One. So turn it on and then completely turn it off. And you can turn it off by holding down the Xbox button and keep holding it down until it completely turns off. So the light is now off, and we're going to wait about 15 to 20 seconds before we launch it into the troubleshooting mode. So what we will want to find is the eject button on the Xbox One. It is right here. And then the sync button will be under the Xbox button, and it is black, so it may be kind of hard to see, but is located in this area. And hold down these two buttons at the same time, and on the original Xbox One, a button will be on the side here. So let's hold down the sync button and the eject button, and then press the power button. And the Xbox One will turn on. You will hear a second beep after holding both these buttons down, and then when you hear that, let go. Now go over to your Xbox One and look at the screen, and you will see the troubleshooting menu. Alright, so I am under the troubleshooting menu right now, and you will see the offline update option on the upper right, and then on the bottom left will be reset this Xbox, restore factory defaults. So let's select A on this. The first option will be keep games and apps, erase all accounts, save games, settings, and home Xbox associations, but keep installed games and applications. So you will have to remember your account name, email, and password to sign back in. But good thing is you won't have to re-download all your games and applications because they will still be there. And the bottom option here is remove everything. Erase all accounts, save games, settings, and home Xbox associations, and installed games and applications. So go ahead and choose one of these options, and once you do, your Xbox One hopefully will be running a little bit quicker, just like it did when you bought it. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and reset your Xbox One, leave it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more Xbox tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.